Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the used dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start taking the Euro USD on the 4-hour chart, and we'll start mapping out the current range. And as you can see, Euro USD has begun this buyer's market, starting to take out previous lower highs and coming into this area of supply, which pushed prices down last time. As you know, all overall swing structure bullish. This was a higher low from previous lows, and now we're looking to see if this is a new higher low to continue to push and take out the highs into its overall range. But right now, on a more local level, we were looking at last week that this was a bull flag that buyers were eventually able to push out, continuing this push into premium. So I'll be looking for any type of buying opportunity. That was a buying opportunity at the demand area of this bull flag. Now waiting to see, like I said, to get past this area of supply that pushed prices down last time. That's what this where price is right now. Looks like it's in consolidation on the 4-hour chart. But I want to look for any type of buying opportunity in order to keep prices pushing higher. If it does consolidate and doesn't give any retracement, then I'm looking at any push, any momentum shift to continue to push to the highs of the overall range. Could make another retracement into any of these areas, or it could just continue to push. GBP USD, let's go map out the current range. And we look at the overall range, although this is in a buyer's market also, as this is the area that swept previous lows of support. And this could be the higher low from the previous lows before that consolidation. And now we know internally we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, bull flag, buyer stepped in just like with the euro, and higher highs, well, higher low from these lows and then higher highs. Got past this area of supply that pushed prices down. And now, just like with euro, waiting to see if buyers continue to push and target the highs of this overall range and this overall structure. So, you know, internally, it's bullish, just waiting to see if momentum can continue to push up with any type of retracement. Of course, this was the retracement, continues this impulse, and now it's retracing again, or looks more choppy than euro, what euro is doing. So it looks like more sellers are in this market, but still in consolidation, just like with the euro, until it starts to make another impulse up. Let me briefly take a look at DXY. As we know, DXY did break past this area of support, made a double top. The buyers made that double top, and then sellers stepped back in, broke through this area of support, formed a bear flag opposing the bull flags on euro and GBP USD. That was a retracement, and then sellers continued to break structure to the downside, got past this previous area of demand, and now coming close to this area of support. So just waiting to see if price can continue to retrace, as it's made a lower high from these highs and lower low, retrace, possible lower high once price does continue to push and break this area. So I'm looking for any type of retracements and any type of impulses back down to lower prices. AUD USD, let's go map at the current range. And of course, for AUD USD, very bullish, but overall it has been in this area of consolidation. It is now up in this area where sellers stepped back in last time at the top of this range, but also you consider this bullish inside the range internally, because this area swept the area of support, and that's where buyers stepped back in and start taking out all the highs of this internal structure and took out. We went past this area of supply, which pushed prices down last time. So I'm looking to see if this impulsive move can continue for AUD USD and eventually take out the highs of this overall structure. So, still making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And right now, consolidation. In this consolidation area, waiting to see if price can make another momentum push to the upside, possibly could sweep first, or check out some more liquidity, and then continue pushing higher. NZD USD, let's go map at the current range. Once this is bullish, once this got past this area of supply that pushed prices down last time, lower high, lower low, lower high, and of course made this lower low, start taking out some of the highs that were made. Just been in this area, in this bullish ascending channel. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Continue to consolidate a little bit, higher highs, and now pushing back down. Mapped out this ascending channel last week, and it looks like it did start to break out under it. If this does hold, you can expect this to retrace off of this lower band of the channel, and then continue to push down, or just consolidate up here while these other dollar pairs are consolidating also. Waiting to see if there's more liquidity to be taken from these lows of this channel. So overall, just waiting to see if this continue to push, just like the other US dollar pairs, and continue this bullish push, take out more of the previous structure highs as price continues to push up. But like I said, there is more liquidity, even though this did already break out under that channel. There's more liquidity sitting on these lows. So waiting to see if that can retrace more and then target the highs of the overall range. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.